In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen with Google Gemini to reply to messages on Samsung S25 Ultra. Here's the plan for this walkthrough. You'll open Google Gemini, start screen sharing, then switch to your Messages app and simply speak your request so Gemini can understand the context of what you're seeing and help you craft a reply. It's quick, it's hands-free, and it keeps you focused on the conversation you're having. Start by opening the Gemini app on your Samsung S25 Ultra. On the main screen, look for the option that lets you share your screen. Depending on your version, this appears as a share screen button or an icon near the input bar. Tap it. You'll see a prompt explaining that screen sharing lets Gemini view what's currently on your display so it can provide more accurate help. Confirm to continue. If Android asks for permissions, allow screen sharing, and, if you plan to talk to Gemini, allow microphone access as well. This is normal and required so Gemini can see the conversation you're referencing and hear your question clearly. If you prefer not to show certain apps or notifications, take a second to close anything you don't want visible before you proceed. Once sharing is active, switch over to your Messages app. Keep the specific conversation you want, help with open on the screen. Now, simply speak to Gemini as if you were talking to an assistant sitting next to you. You can say something like, "Help me understand the last message in this thread," or "Draft a short, friendly reply that confirms the time," or "Summarize what was asked here and suggest a polite response." Because Gemini can see the message on your screen, it can reference the exact wording, pick up on tone, and suggest a reply that fits the context. If the first suggestion isn't quite right, ask Gemini to adjust it. You might say, "Make it more concise," "Add a thank you," or "Keep it casual." You can also ask for variations, then choose the one that best matches your style. When you're satisfied, you can copy the suggested text and paste it directly into your message field. Review it for accuracy, personalize anything you want, and you're ready to send using your normal messaging controls. That's it. Open Gemini, tap Share Screen, move to your messages, and speak your request. With this setup, you'll get helpful, context-aware suggestions for replying to messages on your Samsung S25 Ultra.